Uh, this may not work out too great. I'm not sure. I'm going to give it a try, but I got this Toshiba laptop. It's been a pretty good laptop. Um, got a lot of information on it, and it got stuck in airplane mode on me quite a while ago, and I couldn't get it to come out of airplane mode. I tried almost everything I think I could find on YouTube. I mean, I did the you hit the function key and then you hit the function key down the bottom and then you hit the antenna key, and that's supposed to help it. And sometimes they said you hit the function button and the print screen, which on mine the print screen is up there. There were some other ones that said hit function and F2, hit function, and it was either F4 or F6. And I mean, I did all that. I tried everything I could to. I tried everything I could over the past 6 months or so, off and on, to do that. And I would go into my tools from the start button, go into my tools, and double click on network and internet. Um, and then when I went down to airplane mode, my airplane mode was on. It's off now because I got it. I managed to sort it out, but I'll tell you how I did it. When that airplane mode was on, wireless, none of that would work. And I mean, I bought a new laptop because I couldn't get this one to sign online anymore, and my other laptop works good. But then I found I had a lot of pictures and videos and a bunch of stuff on this computer that I wanted to get off, and I couldn't get it off. I couldn't get it off as long as all those things were shut off, and I couldn't sign online. But I had an idea that if I could get online, I could solve my problem. But the problem was trying to get online with a laptop that wouldn't sign on. Well, a few years ago, I picked up one of these. It's picked up this Netgear wireless N dual band, whatever that means, and it's the WNDA 3100. As a matter of fact, I've had it for so long that it came with an installation disc. It came with a CD to install it, and I couldn't find the CD to install it. Well, anyway, what I did, I went to Netgear's website with my other laptop, and I downloaded the software for this Netgear external plugs in the USB port unit, and then I was able to take that and download it to the C drive on my laptop. I was able to run at any rate. Once I got all that installed, I plugged in the Netgear unit here, and as soon as I plugged it in, my computer notified me that I was online. So as soon as I noticed I was online, I went right over to the Windows button, and I went to my tools, and I went right back to this. And when I got to here, my airplane mode button was live again. I mean, it was still in the on position, but I was able to move it, because prior to that, the button was there, but it wasn't available. I mean, it was there, it was showing, but I wasn't able to use it. I wasn't able to change it or move it or anything. And like I say, once I got hooked online with the Netgear unit, plugged in the USB port, I was online, and all I did was I just hit it, and it turned off the airplane mode for the first time. And I don't know. I think it's been 2 years since I bought my other laptop to replace this one with. So anyway, then I went back to my pictures, my videos that I have stored on it, and I was able to look at them all, and they were all available. And long and the short of it winds up being everything's right back to normal on the computer. The airplane mode is shut off, and again, what I used was the this Netgear unit that plugs into a USB port. So if anybody else has been out there and tried all the cures that are on YouTube and everywhere else, this is one that I tried, it worked, and I haven't seen it anyplace else. So I'll upload this, and hopefully it'll help someone maybe resolve their laptop issues.